everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a collective haul. I've been picking up a few things here or there, and it's starting to look like more than just a few things. I've been to Sephora, Ulta, I've purchased some things from Sigma, Morphe, just kind of been some everywhere here lately. And I thought it was about time for me to share with you guys some of the things I've been purchasing. Actually waiting for some things to come in, but I'm gonna go ahead and film this video because most of what I've been purchasing here lately has arrived. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me for today's video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you click that subscribe button because I really want you to join this savvy family. Yes, I do. I got a lot to cover. I'm gonna try to be brief as possible. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's start with Sigma. So my Sigma products came in this type of packaging. The packaging is always gorgeous. The brushes were in this. I always get one of these. I've already opened this, but I haven't used it yet. The Sigma Spa Brush Cleaning Matte. You know, cleaning brushes can be a pain. I thought this would be handy, and this one has like all sorts of information on it. It tells you which brushes to clean where, and you know, this is the cutout for your sink. So you put the mat in the sink, it has suction cups, and it makes it easier to clean your brushes. So I got one of these. These are some Sigma brushes that I purchased. I already have the E40 Tapered blending brush. It's my favorite blending brush of all time, and I wanted a spare or a second one. I just love it. And then I have the E38 Diffused Crease Blending Brush. I think this was a favorite Sigma brush on the website. And then I also got a cut crease brush, which is the E62. So these are the three Sigma brushes that I have purchased. I haven't opened them yet. Cannot wait to use these. Also from Sigma, I'm not sure how long ago, I think I purchased these earlier than the brushes. This is an old one, but I also have a new shade of this one in a box, but I'm waiting until I use this one, but I'm just gonna show you guys what it is. These are Lip Vex. This is all heart. I also have Sheila and Tender. Okay, so these are three Lip Vex shades that I have purchased. They are so glossy, very affordable lip glosses, and they're perfect alone or as a topper. I love these. I also purchased from Sephora a while ago, and I'm not sure when, but I purchased this Kat Von D dual-headed brush. I have used it today, and it's a contour brush, and you contour like with this side and this side. I'm using it right here to apply powder here or up under the contour, and I actually really like using this brush, especially with my KEVYN AUCOIN powder. I haven't used it with the Shade and Light palette yet because I've kind of put that away. I rotate things around, but this is a really soft contour brush, so it gives you a soft contour. But that powder, the KEVYN AUCOIN powder, is so buttery creamy. It probably should be over here too, actually. Because I purchased that not too long ago too, but it works really well with this KEVYN AUCOIN powder, so we'll talk about this too. I purchased this KEVYN AUCOIN. It's so tiny, guys. It comes in this nice little velvet pouch. I purchased this little KEVYN AUCOIN powder, I'm not sure how long ago, but I haven't been using it very long, and it's a sculpting powder. It's really good for deeper skin tones. I'm not sure how dark it will look on a lighter complexion, but it's beautiful, and it is so soft and buttery, and it's perfect for sculpting. I'm actually wearing it today. So I purchased this not too long ago, and I have been using it ever since I got it. Love it. I wanted to talk about this Huda lash glue. This is amazing lash glue, guys. It has totally kicked my House of Lashes glue to the curb. I've been using it a little while now. Not only does it dry fast, your application is so easy, but it also comes off easy. It doesn't leave glue behind. This is the best. It's in a squeezy tube. Like, I do prefer lash glue with an applicator because these can be a little tricky. So it's like this, but it is the best that I have used of any lash glue that I've ever used. So loving this Huda Beauty lash glue, and it's not that expensive, guys. So if you're looking for a lash glue, this is the one to get. At Walmart, guys, I got a new pack of the Ardell Wispies. These are 5 in a pack. I'm actually wearing the Wispies today. And I picked up the Master Chrome highlighter. I finally picked this up. I've been walking past it several times. I don't need a highlighter. I don't need a highlighter. But I'm tired of hearing everybody talking about it. I had to have one for myself. So I picked up the Master Chrome highlighter. So at Morphe, I used this today, so it's a little bit dirty. This is the Y6 brush. And this is a flat top kabuki style brush for applying your foundation. This is a lovely foundation brush. I really like it. This one is really soft and it just blends everything out so effortlessly. I love it. Great purchase. So if you're looking for a foundation brush, this one is magnificent. And I picked up another Morphe setting spray. This is one of my favorite setting sprays, guys, and I actually am a little bit upset with myself because I only purchased one. I'm like, why didn't I get at least two? So I got another one of these. Ulta, guys. At some point on another Ulta visit, I picked up this Too Faced Melted Latex, and I like this pretty good. This is a nice sheer lip gloss to top over other lipsticks. I like this. I also picked up recently this one by Pure Cosmetics. This is the Chrome Glaze. This is the DIY shade. It looks like this. It's kind of a soft pink sheer shade. And it has a nice little applicator, but it is just a soft shade that is really pretty on top of other lipsticks. I have tried it on and it is really pretty. Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I have a couple of shades here. I have 330 and 334. And now that I have them, they're extremely similar. And I hope that they're deep enough. My Maybelline Fit Me in the matte is 330. Neither one of these shades is in store. I couldn't find them in store. This is Toffee Caramel, that's the 330, and Warm Sun is 334. So I'll be testing these out shortly. I may even film a wear test on these foundations, so if that's something that you'd like to see, make sure you comment down below and let me know. At Ulta, I also picked up a couple of mascaras. I got another one of the Lash Paradise in Black is Black, and I also picked up this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I am late to the party with this mascara. You guys know I did film a video on the Better Than False Lashes Extreme, and I really wasn't a fan of that one because of those fibers, and I didn't see this magnificent transformation in my lashes, and it's very expensive. So that probably is what made me be shy with this one. So I had a sample of this and tested it out recently, and I love this mascara. So I also thought I might film a comparison video of this Lash Paradise, comparing it to this one by Too Faced, because I hear that this is kind of a dupe. Let's open this one so you guys can see. You can tell that the Too Faced one and this one are in similar packaging, and this one feels very sophisticated. It feels much heavier in my hand. So I'm interested to see, are they similar? So if that's something you'd like to see, leave it down below. Let me know, guys. I picked up this Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss. Okay, it has a lovely applicator too, and oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. And look at how beautiful this color is. It's just a pretty shade. And I'll tell you the shade in just a moment. It looks like this on my hand. Okay, this is 415 Sunset. And it is really pretty on, guys. I wish I could test it out for you right now on my matte lip. But it is really, really pretty and very high shine, long lasting, really, really good lip gloss. And I've been sleeping on it. It's an 8-hour lip gloss. So it's good. Love it. Also from Ulta, I picked up a couple of new glitters. You guys know on my Valentine's Day makeup look, I was testing out glitter for the first time. So I picked up a couple of more. So it's hard to tell the shade names on this. I'll look them up and I'll let you guys know. One is kind of a midnight blue and the other one's sort of a grayish taupe color. So I'll link them down below. Speaking of glitter, I picked up this MFMG makeup for melanin girls. And oh, look at this. This is a pressed glitter palette. Jackie Aina featured it on her channel, and I actually had to put my name on a wait list and wait for it to come back in stock. So it just went back in stock maybe a week ago, and I landed one here. The colors are gorgeous. I purchased my NYX ones first, and then I got this and I was like, I probably should take those back. This is black girl friendly because melanin girls are people of color. This is something that I got from Belk. You guys know that's one of my favorite stores. This is the Naked Heat palette, and it was a little bit of a trouble getting this. I didn't have to pay very much for this palette because I had bonus bucks. If you've been sleeping under a rock and you haven't seen this, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I ordered it online and they sent it in really terrible packaging, and someone stole it during shipping. So I had an empty envelope in my mailbox. So then I had to call, they sent me another one, and then they had it in crappy packaging again, and it broke on the way here, you know. So what I had to end up doing was returning the broken one, and they had this in store, and I picked up one in store, which I could have done to begin with. I was trying to avoid going in the store. So anyway, there was a little bit of a hassle getting this, but I finally got a Naked Heat palette. I haven't used it yet. I wanted to show it to you guys, so I'm excited to try this out. Hey! Also from Ulta, I picked up one of the Nikki Tutorials highlighters. This is Everglow. It has the 3 shades there, and I thought that would be best for me. And I think that she also has them like in individual shades. Every time I see Nikki Tutorials wear this, I want it. And it's just been out for a while, and I did not need any more highlighters. I think I haven't purchased a highlighter since the Fenty Beauty launch, and I just felt like it was due. So I went a little crazy and have bought a few highlighters actually. I had a tester of this Hangover replenishing primer and setting spray, and I kind of liked it. And it was so tiny. I used it in a video and it was like really small. You could use it like 2 times and it was done. I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet and purchase this. This is by Too Faced, and I love the primer by Too Faced, so I figure I will really like this. I liked it more for like a misting spray before I apply my primer, but I may also try it as a setting spray, just see how it goes. Whenever I wear the primer, I do feel like I have more moisture, and I kind of got the feeling with this as well, and I think it has like a coconut scent, so I love the smell of it. I'm excited to have this too, guys. Sometimes I get on a kick, guys, and lately it's been a mascara kick. I heard some good things on someone's best of the year products about this Marc Jacobs mascara. So let's open this up. This is a Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara, and it comes in this tube like this. Let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, oh, it reminds me of the Better Than Sex one. So you guys know I do not need both of these mascaras. I heard good things about it, and the person acts like, you know, that's the only mascara she'll ever use. I wanted to try it out. I would love to have a mascara that's the only mascara I'll ever use. So I can't wait to try this one out. And right now, you know, like I said, this Better Than Sex that I tested out recently is fantastic. So I'm hopeful about this one by Marc Jacobs. I can't wait. Some people swear by like drugstore mascaras, and I do like them, but I will say that my high-end mascaras last longer. They don't dry up as easily as some of my affordable mascaras. So that's one of the reasons that I'm willing to pay a little bit more for mascara, because it lasts forever. You don't want it to last forever, for real, but it does last a long time. I want to throw the mascara away when I want to. I don't want to have to throw it away because it dried up. Does that make sense? This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It looks like this. This is the color. It smells like berries. I initially was introduced to this using my Sephora points. I have used up so many of my points lately, guys, you just don't know. I'm one of these girls that likes to grease my lips before I go to bed with petroleum jelly. And so when I saw this, I thought, hey, that looks interesting. And again, petroleum jelly, kick to the curb. This stuff is amazing. It is still on my lips when I wake up in the morning, so it totally moisturizes your lips and leaves them so soft and perfect in the morning. It is really a sleeping mask. I think this was $20. I probably will not be returning to petroleum jelly for my lips, okay? I'm sold. I picked up a couple of Sephora lip glosses. Tati was testing out the Sephora brand, and this one is a nude lip gloss, and I'm not sure what this one is. I'll link them below. This is kind of a blush pink, a pink color, and this is nude. They weren't that expensive. I haven't opened them. I will come back and let you guys know how I feel about them. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth in Bronze. Okay. Alyssa Ashley uses this product, and I think she uses it in tan, and she seems a little lighter than me, and I think the bronze is a little bit darker than the tan color, and tan was sold out at Sephora when I was there that day, but they had this bronze and it looked really close. So I'm gonna test this out. I think she uses it kind of as a finishing powder all over her face, so I'll kind of look at her videos again and kind of see how she uses it, and I'll test this out in the near future. But I'm always looking for ways to give myself like a beautiful all over finish, and her makeup always looks so flawless, so I thought I'd give this a try. So that's all I have for you guys today. I have a couple of products coming in. I ordered the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It just looks so perfect. I had to have it. When I heard that it didn't have a lot of that chunky glitter, I really wanted to try it out, because a lot of that glitter will accent your pores and any texture you have on your skin. So I really want to test out that product. And I have some brushes coming in from Zoeva. I've heard a lot of good things about the makeup brushes, so I ordered a couple. I just want to see what it's all about. And I think that's all I'm waiting on. I think that's it. Okay, everybody, so that concludes my haul video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys again very soon. Hopefully it won't be a haul though, because this should be enough. I should be done now for a little while, at least until the spring Sephora VIB sale. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy signing out.